Now that I am done doing all the braiding, of course, I like to go through with Blue Magic. It's just, it's been a staple product and just hair in general. And I like to use it. It's not broken, so why try to fix it? So I like to go over my client's hair always with Blue Magic. And then I like to go over it with this Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe Tonic. It's like a nice, cool feeling going through your scalp. It's really soothing. And then I just want to make sure I use a little bit of Pump It Up Spritz just to make sure, his braids stay in place and it doesn't get all frizzy. And then I go over it with the Oil Sheen Olive Oil. It's my favorite. My clients love the smell of this. And now I'm about to attempt to line him up and clean up this taper because it's really messing up the flow of the hairstyle. So I'm using some liners and I'm using like a guard on it to try to get the tapered look. And I'm not a barber, okay? Not even close. Never went to any school. None of that. And you see my son is looking very worried. Like, please don't mess me up, mom. Please don't mess me up. And one thing about me is like, your head is art to me as well. Why would I mess you up after doing all this hard work? You know what I'm saying? So he didn't get a chance to go to the barber and he's not going to have any time to go to the barber later. So I took it upon myself like y'all always see me do. He kind of got me in the habit of doing this because he would used to go get a haircut and then he'd be like, Mom, you got the liners, just line it back up or whatever with what my barber already did. But he hasn't seen a barber, so I don't have like the barber guide, if you know what I'm saying. Usually I can kind of see the line what that the barber has created and then I just clean it up. But in this case, I'm over here trying to fade them up and everything, but here's the finished product. How y'all think I do on my little taper look? I think I did pretty good for me not to be a barber. And what y'all think of this hairstyle? Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe, and just, comment what you think I should have done differently or if you're going to try this hairstyle. Really appreciate and thank you guys for watching. Here is how I pre-parted this hairstyle and some other men tutorials. See you in the next one. Peace and hair grease. Bye.